You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expectant users should not ride.
Welcome in, everyone. Please continue moving all the way forward and all.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Congrats, users. You've been digitized. Please exit through the open door next to you.
When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the far gate, you must walk behind the light cycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall, and secure them in the storage areas until the entry bars. Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue. Users, launch your step as you dismount the message.